Built in 1967 and now fully renovated, the David Livingstone Senior Secondary School will serve about 950 learners from the northern areas and surrounding communities with multi-purpose open spaces. With 39 classrooms, the school offers more than academics. Learners will now have access to practical skills programs including hairdressing, nail technology, the technical occupational curriculum, first aid, and hospitality pathways designed to take them straight into careers. Hairdressing educator Krishanda Boas says the school has been waiting for this since 2018. She says learners now have real opportunities to grow their skills and build their futures.
We have been through so much, raising funds for the kids so they can have everything they have here today. And it's not without the sponsorships from everyone that has come on board, like Clicks, for example, Stamford Square. They've come on board and have given us equipment, and the government has sponsored us as well. So it's amazing to see how we've grown actually from where we started with like 2-3 hair dryers to like all of them having hair dryers and flat irons. It's amazing.
Department of Education MEC Fundile Gade says the Eastern Cape Department has implemented this curriculum to ensure learners leave school not only with a certificate but with the ability to become entrepreneurs and create jobs in their own communities.
Key to that into kokuba kuzawufuneka sibe nendlela yokusilinka esisikolo ne-local economic development kamasipala. Siphinde sisilinke with i-departments ezichaphazelekayo kule content yale curriculum bayenzayo ukwenzela kube khona i-sustainability yaba bantwana. Because xa uzijongile esazinto bazenzayo, umzekelo ngowezinye izinto ezityiwayo apha zenziwa ngabo, khange kufunwe service provider ukwenza ezazinto. Iyakubonakalisela ke loo nto into yobana iyatshintsha imfundo yethu eMpuma Koloni, inikisa umdla and futhi iza kwenza kunqabe ubana abantwana ekuhambeni kwexesha abaphela beba ne-certificate but bengaphangeli indawo.
Pula Projects Petros Majola applaud the Department of Education. He encouraged the people of the northern areas to take care of the school so that it remains in a good state.
Isebe lemfundo singaliqhwabela izandla kwinto ethi ngexesha lethu lasesikolweni enje izinto thina besingazenzi, izinto besenza inkomo zomdongo phaa ayityi nowutya le nto, uza esikolweni neempondo ufika besokuphuka umsila nenqina. But ngoku nxa ujonga abantwana bafundiswa ngobona bunye bububo phaa kwicommunity. Imali karhulumente einvestwa ebantwaneni bethu ifuna thina community. Sinengxaki yezikolo eziye zinikwe izinto eziphucukileyo. The following week sifumane ireport bazimkile zonke ezanto zibiwe kwangabantu balapha ekuhlaleni. So sifuna izinto ezizawuhlala. Ootitshala bangazithathela ezindlini, abantwana besikolo bangazithathela ezindlini. Kwezinye izikolo zasinikwa ibhayisekile dadibana nazo amadoda esiya emzini onenkomo ekhwela ibhayisekile zabantwana besikolo. So sifuna this investment isetyenzisela abantwana, but abantwana bayibone value in this investment.
Premier Mabuyane says government invested over 130 million rand in the infrastructure to equip learners with skills.
Quite exciting, but also to see these schools also being inclusive, schools embracing the vocational element of the training that we would want to see and skills that must be impacted on our kids. Not every child can go through the academic work and academic training. We must be able to detect and identify those kids at very early stages, and we give them, if you have seen them there, the pedicure, manicure, all that, brilliant things that are happening, but also the hospitality work that is being done here. These are skills that our kids need. I'm quite happy to be here delivering this 130 plus million project for this community. You can imagine this school has been like this since late 60s, not in a good shape, not in a good condition. At some point it was an asbestos school. We've developed it. This is this government that has done it.
Mabuyane says government will continue to build schools like this across the Eastern Cape. Reporting for MPK TV News, I am Jessica Bobo in Gqeberha.